Vrouw daalt de trap af, tree voor tree, armen over elkaar. Vrouw
means woman or wife. Pronounced
vrouw
with the
u
sounding like the O in cow. It's a common noun referring to a female adult.
daalt
Means descends or goes down. Pronounced
dalt
with a short
a
sound like in cat. It's the third person singular present tense of the verb
dalen.
to descend. Indicates the woman's movement.
De
Means there. Pronounced
duh
with a short
u
sound. It's the definite article, specifying a particular staircase.
trap
Means stairs or staircase. Pronounced
trap
similar to the English word. It's a noun indicating the object the woman is descending.
af
Means off or down. Pronounced
af.
It's a preposition or adverb indicating the direction of movement.
Tree
Means step or stair. Pronounced
tree
with a long
a
sound. It's a noun, used here as the singular of a series of steps.
voor
Means before or in front of. Pronounced
voor
similar to the English word. It's a preposition indicating the order of steps.
tree
Repeated means step or stair. Pronounced
tree
with a long
a
sound. It's a noun, specifying each step individually.
armen
Means arms. Pronounced
armen
with a short
a
sound. It's the plural form of
arm.
arm.
Over
Means over or across. Pronounced
over
with a long
o
sound. It's a preposition indicating the position of the arms.
elkaar
Means each other. Pronounced
elkaar
with a short
a
sound in the first syllable. It's a reflexive pronoun indicating that the arms are crossed across each other. Putting it together.
Vrouw daalt de trap af, tree voor tree, armen over elkaar.
Means the woman descends the stairs, step by step, arms crossed. It paints a picture of a woman slowly and deliberately going down the stairs.